How you doing, folks? Chris Haskell here, Tucson, Arizona. Wanted to share with the world what we had going on here. They had been chemtrailing the life out of us, geoengineering the life out of us for day in, day out, every day pretty much. You can see my videos, but I was going to show you what the end results here. Been raining for a day and a half, which I'm sure they were just trying to knock the rain down, not trying to improve the rain. But right in front of us is the Rincon mountain range, and it is actually pretty well covered in snow. See, way up in front of us there, the little peak of Rincon. And then we got the Catalina mountain range. Catalina mountain range is just to my left. I'm going to show you as soon as we get an actual shot of it. But see, it was pretty rainy today, and all around Tucson, lots of snow. Not in Tucson, but came down to the edge of Tucson. So here we go with the Catalina mountain range, if I can see it. You're not going to see it. Okay, well, wanted to share it with you, but it's kind of not working out here. You see the one in front of us, and I'll do another pan to the left in a minute. We'll get the snow on the Mount Lemon, Catalina mountain range. Here it is. Wow, look at that. That's pretty cool. Pretty cool. Lots of snow. All right, well, reporter for Real News Tucson, Chris Haskell. Just wanted to share that with you. There's the mountains. Ooh, look at that. Pretty. And the mountain range in front of us. There we go. Put it to the left. Y'all have a nice day.